You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word and clarify the pronunciation once and for all. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. English pronunciation. Grind. Yes, you have a diphthong sound. Eind. Grind. How to pronounce British English and American English. Pronunciations are similar here as grind. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.